I'm okay.
Welcome to Retro Wrenches. Again, let's just get right into it. We're gonna take out the wires, the mirror, the awesome hunting rack, which I think we should totally keep in. Then we're gonna take off the grill and the radiator and the stuff on the fender. Don't look at me. Don't look at the fender.
Tell about the mirror.
The mirror, yeah.
It's coming off.
Yeah, the mirror's gonna come off. This one. Is there one over there? No. It's only a one mirrored vehicle. But
and
anyway.
cut.
Oh.
I don't think it works.
Maybe
although it's nice that it has the front little thing.
You did that. And cut.
So is that the radiator?
It is radiator. Lots of spiders. We'll just keep that closed.
It's a spider radiator.
Yes.
Sweet.
Not as lucky on those.
They more stuck in?
No, they got nuts on the back of the motor.
Got the hammer. Let's go see if we can get his mirror off. Okay, here we go again. Nope. Well, let's put more PB Blaster on it, and we will think about that later.
Wrong side. Other wash nest. See that nut right there spinning?
I see it.
I'm gonna try to get this. Okay, that is off. Now the next one. Okay. Now, coming down the side, can you see these two that are on the side? Or let me see the hot wrench. See that spinning? Can you see where something's spinning there?
I don't see anything.
I might have stripped it.
No, it's still spinning.
Yeah, but I might have stripped it by tightening it.
You can try to lightly turn it. I'm pushing on this side.
Because the other one below it came out already.
Let me get the hammer.
There.
Jeez. There might be a way we can get that out.
A few moments later.
Okay. And you. How much dirt you getting on you?
Okay.
And then once they're off, I think.
Just kind of pushing on it to give you some backing.
Oh. I don't think that's doing anything. It's Spam.
I love Spam. Spam is a very tasty ham.
I'm not pushing it anymore.
Let me see if I can wedge underneath it.
Gotta try it again.
Oh, that wasn't good.
Okay, track.
Yeah?
Yeah, I need that.
Nice.
So this has got, there's a brace. This brace I'm taking off runs from right here on the side of the fender.
Okay.
All the way over to where I just took those off.
Gotcha.
It's kind of what holds that fender out.
I see. Okay. Let's see if we can undo this. Undone.
I can't get another bolt in it if that was still in it. Like, why is that not fitting?
Let's see, what you working on here?
So, those, if you look right here, you got these two left here.
Yeah. Nice.
So
Not anymore.
We'll have two on the other side. And that's that cross member. But I don't know if I can get this on it.
What about your wobbly?
I'm not. I'm drawing flies.
Okay.
I ain't dead yet.
You'll be stoned as you
I'm not dead yet.
He says he's not dead. Yes, he is.
I feel fine.
I feel fine.
I was turned into a newt. A newt. A gold bear. What do you have to say for yourself, sir?
So just
I just wanted a drink.
check this out right here. We sanded it down a little bit with some sandpaper and didn't take that much to get down to bare metal. So, okay. Go for it. Yo, what's up? Keep going, because I think we're gonna twist it off. There we go. Heck yeah. Look at that.
So all those around that way should allow the grill to come off, what I'm seeing. I could be wrong. I have been twice before.
I think these are the half inch. We go grab me that half inch.
That's 3/4. Well, I organized the darn thing. How do I not? I don't even know where half inch is. Oh, there it is. It was right in plain sight. I can't do the Connor thing. Hold on. Half inch acquired. There we go. I did the Connor thing.
Hey, where's that half inch wrench you had?
This one?
Yeah, have you using it?
I don't have it.
Okay, now that I think I've scraped a lot of the dirt off, will you go get me a 7/16 of wrench?
Okay. 7/16. 7/16 is right there. 7/16. Okay, we're good.
If I put it over here.
Let's show everyone what I'm working with here. Got that. We're just trying to get this fender detached from the inner fender and the front grill. So, oh, check this out.
Wait, what is that?
Look at that.
I'm behind you. Oh, is that where the headlights go?
Yeah.
That's
Well,
sick.
it's where the back of the headlights go.
It's real nice. Just put that anywhere, Karl.
Couple cobwebs. It's alive.
Can't see through it anymore. Ah.
Let's see if two wobblies can get this one out. Yeah, look at that. Two. Almost.
2 wobblies later. This thing's just going down a little bit.
No! It's going down for real. Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up.
I'm holding.
Wow!
What do you need to do?
I gotta get 3 more screws. You might feel an increase in pressure. Woo. Okay.
Did you have to use the wobbler?
Ugh. What's that?
Did you have to use the wobbly on the other side
Yeah, I did.
for these ones?
Yeah, I can bring it over to you.
That works.
Yeah. You should go record. What's Caleb working?
Nothing.
Okay, never mind.
It started recording this way. So everything's...
I think you started it that way.
Oh, whoops.
Now it's gonna be upside down for the rest of the video.
No, it's not.
They're in the back.
I'm okay.
I'm okay. You good?
Trying to think of what I need. This is my mechanic dog. Right. Oh, right here. Here she is. Juno, Juno, tell the people. Tell them how many cars you work on in a day. Normally she's. Okay, it's gonna cut that one out. Whoa, wait.
Ooh.
Got it?
Got it?
Okay.
Got the old hood latch.
Yeah. Not bad.
Cool. That's
Oh, check it out. It's still got little rubber stops on it.
yeah.
And they're not in bad shape.
They're not brittle.
They're not half bad.
Talking with British accent every time I did something there. And it wasn't built in Britain. It's weird.
Right, but if you were British, you'd want to drive one.
It's true.
You think it's cool.
Yeah, true.
Holy smokes. Come on. Oh, hey, Caleb, you found the old horn.
Did you?
We don't need the electrical. We'll just cut this right here and ground it there.
Woo! So that's the horn?
Yes, sir.
Ow. Ow.
What'd you get?
That's hot.
Oh, yeah, Dad, that's hot.
It's in my truck. It starts my truck.
Sure. That's why that all fell apart. We're gonna see what this horn sounds like.
Oh, this sounds like a clown horn. Those little Volkswagen.
It should sound like a truck horn though.
It's from a truck.
It's from a truck. So
Yeah.
it shouldn't sound like a car horn.
Don't crush my hopes and dreams.
We'll pop the hood over here.
It's a diaphragm that wiggles around in there. The question is, what's going to come out of here? Oh. So it's jammed in here. We just got to hit it a little bit.
Rise, my glorious creation. Rise.
So first, get this wire. Oh, you probably bend that, and get the cover off.
That might be enough.
And yeah, you'll see there's probably a mud dauber, wasp nest, alien in there. Okay, where's my phone card?
Oh, it's all that white stuff.
Tell people.
Is that cotton?
There's a little spider or something.
Got like 20 volts. 30.
But I'm getting a very odd signal here. Listen.
Sounds like somebody's spitting.
Hello? Hello?
Let's go see if we can see what it does over there.
I already got the other side off.
Nice.
Working on this one. There's one down.
Worsher.
The worsher. They have the impact gun, so this is going a little slower, but we're getting there.
8%.
That one's done.
There are so many darn flies. These darn flies. Darn flies. There's so many darn flies. Flies. These darn flies.
Dude, the flies are so bad.
That one's a different size. Why would they do such a thing? Alright.
We'll even go on this side.
Hey, PB blasters worked for everything else.
PB blaster's done real good. So we'll just swoosh this around a bit. You can kind of see it
There were
swooshing
some
around.
spiders inside the cover. We got them taken care of.
Nice.
We dispatched them privily.
What's up, girl?
She's just chilling in the shade. Still?
Diaphragm's stuck still. So this part right here, you see that gap? That's what moves. So if I can get right there and just kind of see that. So that's, well, it's kind of moving. All right, where's that WD? We've done PB and now we're doing WD. So the combination of those acronyms. Get something. Whoa. So close. Well, it just needs to wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Yeah, we'll just keep working at it.
I see smoke coming from it.
Mm-hmm.
Is that bad?
Mm-hmm. So there's like this little contact here. So, see, now it's open just a hair. Let's try that.
It was sparking. It sparked.
Work?
Yeah, it blew something out of there and I didn't see what it was. Oh, I'm okay.
That's still blowing stuff out.
Look at the points there. Did you hear that echo?
Yeah.
See the electricity going there?
Yeah.
Look at that thing smoking.
I'm not
I think it's
touching that.
PB blasters. First thing fixed.
First thing fixed, it works. Yeah, so the inner one can stay, at least for now. That one.
Did you have to take all those out?
Uh-huh. Every
can't-
single one.
I can't get around the front of these that I put up here.
Let me try.
Howdy.
Sir, that is a baby's toy.
He seems a little rattled.
Oh. Wait. Oh, yeah.
Let me
Playing imaginary guitar. Chisel.
Found it.
You found the socket.
What are you doing? What are you doing, puppy?
Juno.
Juno, don't eat me.
You don't know where the wire cutters would be located at, would you?
Well, they're not in the plier drawer.
Wire
Oh, I
cutters.
gave those to Colt.
Yeah. How the heck are they?
No, he didn't.
I'm not saying I didn't lose them, but I might have lost
Colt, where did you put them?
them. I don't know. They've got to be around, like, nearby.
There they are. They're on top of the truck.
Yeah, cut this. You shouldn't get shocked.
Kidding.
Did you cut it yet?
There we go.
Take this inner fender and take it away. Let's pick this out.
Okay, the whole thing.
Just grab that end. Let's go your way instead, Harry. Keep going. Keep going. Right there.
Well, that's an easier way to get to them.
Yeah. So, one more. There's one more.
Yeah. Well, it's come apart so far. Let's see if there's something stuck in there.
There we go. You got it. And there's the grill. Check it out.
Doesn't look like it can cook anything.
Well, that you know of.
That's true.
All right. Grill's apart.
Oh, see, right there, you can probably cook an egg in there.
Let's see if I could even... Yeah, we might be able to pound that out. Yeah. We will try. We're doing a couple little practice hits here. This has got a huge crease we're trying to get out of it though. Yeah, we're gonna get this dent, this crease, and we're gonna make it look new. I mean, pretty new. I wonder if they have like these little parts that we could like cut. The way it creased it. So, here's a question for you. How did this one occur? It's almost like you got run over, or not run over, like you ran over like something and it went up in the fender.
Yeah, kind of like I know it wasn't this truck.
Yeah.
But the other old blue truck that we used to have, there was a big piece of concrete granary that was in the weeds. And I know one time...
Not you, of course.
Not me. No.
Someone else.
Someone else. I know for a fact it was struck by the other blue truck. And the fender looked similar to this.
That.
The front fender.
Sure.
So you've seen there's some similarities to there.
Yeah.
Is there a little similarity there?
And others that may be watching this can resemble that. And I don't know, exactly who, but it was right across the street from the Terrell house. Anyway, between the pump and the fence. I just know where it was.
Very good memory there.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
It's coming back.
Anyway, what were we talking about?
Why you dented the fender?
Oh,
how the fender got dented.
No, this is 54. No, I don't remember back that far. That was before my time.
Okay.
Just started to bend it there.
Oh, a new crease? Well,
It's not new. But
but look, we opened that up. Now we just got to get that smoothed out.
we're learning.
What's the other one? You're gonna see it move a little.
Got the worst. I'm back.
You're back. You have to take a short bathroom break.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now there's only one more. All right, here we go.
Ooh, it's hot.
It is.
Melting like a snow cone in Phoenix, dear.
Melting like a snow cone in Phoenix.
I want to show you this.
Cut the red or the green?
The red.
Cut the red?
Yeah.
I forgot I'm colorblind.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Dozens of residents, Mario, are without power tonight.
A little present there for you. A little knot there.
A little knot here.
Thank you.
Like this part right here was dented.
Grandpa.
Oh,
I wonder if we can
I'll be darned.
hammer that out.
How should I gauge this?
Whoa.
Did you just see that?
Whoa,
Did you see what I said?
Yeah, I did. What? The gas went from full to empty real quick.
It did.
What?
One time at a time. Sorry.
Nice.
Spring loaded.
I'm gonna put it on top of the cab. Cause why not?
You can stop filming.
Okay.
Oh, the e-brake? Whoa. Yeah, that's gonna have to be undone underneath.
Down and then curves over there.
Yeah. You should be able to pull that out.
It's got something on the end of it.
Oh, let's see. This right here, this.
Just pop it all out.
Yeah. Clip this out, get it out of there. There you go.
Hey Watson, cinder block. It's not a cinder block, it's a screwdriver.
The realization. Just don't break your wrist.
There it is.
Does it keep going on?
Next.
Oh.
Huh. is so hot out.
Feeling
I'm sweating.
Well, guess what? It's 92 degrees outside. I feel bad for people. Well, I can't get that down, so I'm just not gonna
Scooch. Oh well.
see what I mean.
A little dry rotted.
Yeah. Real.
Snaps right off.
Breakable.
It's like a bad licorice.
Disgusting. Yeah, what did I tell you?
You didn't say anything.
I said it was gross.
Yeah, but that doesn't tell me to stop.
Stop it. Get some help.
Wow. Sir, please don't give me a concussion.
Another little baby wrench. The sand little spot right here. Oh yeah. Look at that. So even like this stuff. Check it out. Oh, whoa, check this out.
Whoa.
That some kind of nail or something.
Oh, it looks like a drill bit.
Hey, is this like a special nail or something that goes on equipment, or is that just twisted nail? You know, it's not like something to grip something, right?
No.
Gonna do a little bit of dash here.
It's rusty dusty.
Body and fender set
By Maddox.
by Maddox.
Yeah, that's not the steakhouse.
That's no, it's from the steakhouse.
Oh, okay.
They do meat and body tools. All right, let's see what you got.
Ooh, weird. Wonder where you'd have wasp nests in here.
Do you think the truck's nickname needs to be Wasp?
Definitely not Ant-Man.
Right. This is not Ant-Man. This is the Wasp.
You have to get a little wasp sticker to put on the fenders once we're done.
There we go.
A little wasp decal.
There we go.
Like a yellow pinstripe.
Hey, there we go.
Ooh,
Yellow
yeah,
pinstripe.
Yeah.
Because we do want it to be blue, but we do need to name it the Wasp.
Yes, I think it's it.
Man.
Oh my
Otherwise,
gosh.
it's the same.
I don't know how much of this fender we're going to be able to save, but this is kind of what we're looking at right here. This crease is incredible. And remember, we're professional amateur beginners at this.
Yeah.
I don't even know like what part's supposed to be straight, or does this go
I
here?
think it's all supposed to be out. I think it's supposed to be a smooth rounding application here.
Yeah, that crease is something else.
And cut.
More for its name.
God, it
The
never
Wasp
ends.
truck.
Never ends, man.
The 3100 Wasp series.
Oh, there's
Wasp
one right
series.
there. Look at that big one.
Whoa! And you would never have seen it.
Wow.
Look at it right there.
That one's that rolled.
I was
Nope,
hoping.
it's attached.
Dang. That's a good size one. Yep, the Wasp. So the next step on this, we should pressure wash as much as we can, clean all of this up. Really rely on the sandblaster people to take this out. Dang, look at that right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's that inner chunk right there. I know this side will come off right here. So just so you know, the reason we tipped it over is because I wanted to get some of these lines and brackets out, and I figured it'd be a lot easier. And it's good to see some of the condition underneath.
Yeah.
Wonder how much of this is like. Well, that's bare metal right there.
Yep.
Well, some of it's still in good shape. Ah, boy. That mirror.
Electric impact, or you even get to.
You reach them?
They've got a nut on the back.
Oh, there's a nut on the back. Oh, hey. Let's see what you're looking at.
Right
Whoa. Found another one.
Oh, no, that's good. Yeah.
It's bare metal right there, though. Hey, there's hope. There's a lot we might not have to actually, besides like the obvious.
Yeah.
We might not have to do. Oh man, look at all this dirt in here. Oh man,
Oh, wow.
you're brave. You're brave.
I'm not sure what was back there.
Yeah.
But it felt crawly.
Ew.
I just wasn't sure.
Gross.
If you put your finger right.
Whoa.
Put your finger where?
Right. Oh, you're volunteer? Right here.
So right through, so you can feel where my finger is.
Yeah.
Just right up through there and feel. It actually comes through from right here.
Yeah.
Full of stuff.
I mean,
So
screwdriver.
put your finger right up in here. And feel what's inside there.
Oh.
Something.
What is that?
It just keeps going. What is that? I ain't doing it. I do what Kaylin does. I dig it out with a screwdriver. Okay.
Don't get your finger stuck in there.
I'm gonna get my finger
You don't want to hurt the truck.
Yep.
Now,
What's a now
well, I've been working on a dairy farm for 2.5 years.
And you say things like now huh?
No.
Oh.
No, the first
Now
thing I was gonna say, the first thing that my boss ever had me do when first day I popped up is they said, "Hey, our drain is clogged full of crap. Can you stick your whole arm down it and see if you can unclog it?"
Work harder, not grosser. Oh, that is nasty.
There you go.
Yeah. You're gonna find a goop baby in there. This is gross. I'm cutting that out. I can't put that in there. It's a family channel, Kyler.
Grandma get this stuck in the mud a time or two? Or?
Dad, that's a good question. Do you think this is when Grandma went off-roading and got stuck?
There's something alive in there. Yep, there's bug. Look, it's crawling out right now.
Did I not say something was crawly in there?
Yeah, you did.
What is that?
Do you think that's from... Do you think it's from Fillmore?
Dude, I
It's a
think
Fillmore bug?
It could be a flow well bug.
I bet you Grandma was off-roading and got stuck in the mud.
Well, we can now verify Grandma did drive the truck.
Yeah. There's clear signs everywhere now. Gross. Oh, I'm sorry.
Trying to clean.
You are. I know I was in your way.
Trying to clean, and we're putting more stuff on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your question?
No, what's this? Keep tearing it
Kaylin
off.
told you it was a truck.
It's a truck cab.
It's a truck cab.
Nah, but this looks like
Just
a
don't
raw
eat it.
piece of beef jerky.
Say what?
When?
Cool. Say when. Well, it doesn't feel like we did a lot, but I feel like a lot happened. So we got the front clip apart, the grill, the fenders, the inner fenders, those all come apart. I only got some dirt in my left eye,
Well, that's good,
so I thought it was pretty good.
because that's when you were taking off the left side.
Right. It makes sense. Also, the horn works. I'm okay. Which is pretty sweet. It's so far the first thing we've got working on the truck. We got the firewall cover out. There's a few pieces down here, and look down here, and you tell me in the comments what you see. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
That's crazy. So you can see some of the
It's already reclined. Oh!